Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
The Internet of Things, IoT, is a system of interrelated computing device, mechanical and digital machines. Object a person can be with heart monitor implant. Of course, IoT is a connected to our society because other technologies to connect to device. This device is connected other varieties with our society because ability to transfer data over network without requiring human to human or human to computer. For advantage and disadvantage. For the advantage, improve our communication using internet, transferring data, packets or money. And the disadvantage if there a bug in the system or virus and hacking. In our daily life, we'll use IoT. Yes, because our society we are also used to them being a great help to us humans. The lot refers to the network interconnection of all everyday objects, which are often equipped with some kind of intelligence. In my own opinion, is good for our society, mas pinapadali ang ating mga gawain at mas solusyonan ang ating mga problema.